What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the video. Topic of today's video is Robinhood versus Webull. What's my personal opinion, guys? Personally, I believe that Webull is better, just straight to the point. I like it a lot more. I'm going to discuss why, but real quick, Robinhood is very popular amongst beginners, amongst newbies, right? Everyone who's just getting in, everyone that's a beginner, they flock towards Robinhood. They love it, they love it, they love it. I've been using Robinhood since 2015, 2016. Whenever it very first started, the first month they were active, I was a member and I liked it. I loved it. I loved saving money, zero commissions. But again, if you just go to Google and you just type in Webull, guys, Webull's another zero contract fees, zero minimum deposits. It is basically like Robinhood, but 10 times better. And I mean that. Right here, you click this, you sign in, you log in, and then you click trade. Once you click trade, guys, this is the very first window. It's your trading window. It is much better. You have your watch list right here. You have the chart right here. You have the order equity. You have the time and sales for free. Then you have your position size and your profit and loss, everything over here. And that's not it, guys. Right here, you have your watch list. You can customize this however way you want it. You have your stocks, or you have your watches right here, and you have a more in-depth, bigger version of the chart that you're looking for, and you have little time scales as well. All of this just way better, something that Robinhood does not offer. Not along only this, guys, if you sign up with Webull, you get 2 to 4 times the amount of shares and stocks that you would if you just signed up with Robinhood. But also the time you can start trading in Webull is 4 a.m. You can get out at 8 p.m. The pre-market is much earlier, and the post-market is a lot later as well. Then you click market, guys. You can find everything you're looking for, from cryptos, stocks, different kind of industries, everything you want. It's a much more in-depth version of Robinhood. In my opinion, it's a mix between TD Ameritrade as well as TradeZero. I personally use TradeZero, and this is why, right? So right here, this is kind of like, this is very similar to TD Ameritrade, as well as right here, the screener. This is the best screener in the market, way better than TD Ameritrade. It's a free way to find stocks. You can do very specific specifications, as well as you can save ones you actually like right here, everything you like, you could find. You can have custom ones as well, guys. This is why I think it's kind of like TradeZero. If you don't know, I use TradeZero to day trade and short stocks. This window right here, very similar, very professional. This is almost the same as equity, TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, everything pro. It's the pro version, Fidelity Pro. This looks very legit. TD Ameritrade charting, as well as kind of the screener, but also I think that it's TradeZero's efficiency, filling, and also not only that, but just this whole overlay is very professional. Like I said, you have your position, you have your profit or loss, you have your order entry, you have your time and sales, you have your chart, and you have your watch list. This window right here is very TradeZero-like, and I'm a huge fan. This overall is way better than Robinhood. And I used to be a fan of Robinhood. Like I said, I've used it for a couple of years, but I much rather prefer the charting of Webull, the order executions. When you do options or orders of share size that are larger, this goes in quick, guys. Pretty much almost instantaneously. Robinhood, if you're familiar with it, it takes forever to get filled in shares, both equities in terms of stocks, but also options, very slow. Webull is instant. Everything is instant. Charting does not lag. It updates way faster than Robinhood. It's just much better. And like I said, I'm not the biggest fan of Robinhood. I used to like them. I like them okay. I give them a 5 out of 10, 5 being okay. I give Webull a 7 or 8 out of 10, and I give TradeZero a 9 or 10 out of 10, guys. Also, I like TD Ameritrade's charting, Thinkorswim if you're not sure. But that's pretty much it, guys. And let's take a look at my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're not familiar with my channel, guys, check it out. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Daily videos, minimum 1 video each and every single day. I try to post 2, that is the goal. I try to post a combination between cryptocurrency as well as stock trading, equities, investing, but primarily it's all centered around investing. Average tuber, hit that like, hit that subscribe. Check out my cryptocurrency videos playlist, between 250 to 300 views, all videos all between 1K and 2.5K views, as well as my day trading live playlist. I'm trying to get this up. I try to make videos about day trading, investing, penny stocks, everything you really need to know, how to invest your stimulus, how to day trade, broker reviews, how to find stocks. Everything you need to know is in this day trading live playlist, as well as me day trading stocks live. And then, like I said, check out my cryptocurrency videos playlist. I want this to be more than just a crypto channel. I want this to be an investing channel between cryptocurrencies and stock and options investing, guys. This is an investment channel. Thank you guys so much for all the support. I remember I used to have 100 subscribers, now I have almost 2.5K. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Daily videos. Thank you guys so much. Peace.